Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. If you're new here, I'm Ophelia, and on this channel everything is naturally told by me. So guys, today it's Father's Day, but by the time you see this video it will be past Father's Day, and I'm in the kitchen. Yes girl, in the kitchen I do a little thing and thing, you know the kitchen and so I'll be making shrimp fried rice, brown stew fish in mango sauce, and I'll also be making an apple cherry juice, natural apple cherry juice, fresh from my garden. So if you want to see that guys, stay tuned. Guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So let's begin guys. So here we have the small shrimp, sweet pepper, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, onion and garlic already chopped up, ginger extract, all-purpose seasoning, soy sauce, black pepper, whole kernel corn, and the mixed vegetables. So these are what I'll be using. I had already cooked the rice and put it to cool. This is about 2 cups of rice, but I won't be using all of this. And guys, I prefer parboiled rice, but you can use any rice of your choice. So this is what we'll be using guys. So I'll get into seasoning the shrimp shortly. So to season I'm using 1.5 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning and about half teaspoon of black pepper, and then mix that up together to ensure that the seasoning is getting into the shrimp. Shrimp is very easy to season like any other fish, or well, seafood, any other seafood. And I'll leave this to marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'll then go ahead to add some oil to the pot. Not a lot, I'm not really a fan of oil anyways. Get it in all sections of the pot, and then I'll add the seasoning. So I'm adding the sweet peppers, then the onion and the garlic, and then I'll allow that to fry up a bit. Once that smell hits you, you know it's ready to go. Then add the pepper and the thyme. For me, the scotch bonnet pepper is all dependent on how hot you want it to be. I'm not really a big fan of pepper, so I didn't really use a lot. You can now go ahead to add the shrimp to the pot. You'll then leave the shrimp to cook. You'll know when it's finished when it starts to get a darker red color. And also I left it for about 10 to 15 minutes. So after the 10 to 15 minutes thereabouts, you can go ahead to add your other ingredients. I added butter for flavor. Then I went ahead to add the mixed vegetable and then the sweet corn. And yes, I'm a lover of corn, so had to add a lot to it. You will then mix all of that together and allow the butter to melt. And at this point, you then go ahead to add the rice. So even though I had cooked 2 cups of rice, I found that I used less rice, about a cup, a little over a cup, but you can add to your liking. And then you just go ahead to fold the ingredients together to ensure that you get a good mix. I then went ahead to add about a tablespoon of ginger. You know, us Jamaicans, we don't really measure things all the time. And the soy sauce, you just add it until you have gotten the color and taste that you want your fried rice to have. Yep, and you just continue the process of folding the rice and adding the soy sauce to your preferred flavor. Yes, and you just fold and fold, getting that arm work in. Yes, so I'm just giving you guys a closer look at what the finished product is right now. So we're just allowing it to stay on the fire for a little bit longer, getting it all warmed up. And then that would be it. So we're moving on to the juice. I won't be showing you every step of the juice making, but this is the frozen OTAT apple and the cherry juice. So just go ahead to blend all of that together. Yep, Daddy chipped in a bit right here, wanted to help out with the process, so he's doing the blending right here. Yep, so we'll now move on to the mango barbecue fish. So this is the sliced fish already seasoned. And we'll go ahead to fry them. Not too crisp, but golden and pretty. Look at those. I'm all done with the frying, so I'm going to move on to the sauce. So here I have already prepared the Julie mango, so I'm going to blend. I also added some barbecue sauce and some tomato ketchup to the container, and a little bit of water, and I'll then go ahead to blend that up as well. This will be used to make the sauce for the fish. So I'll go ahead now to add the sauce to the pot. So you can look at that thickness, look at that creaminess, guys. I also added a piece of butter for added flavor, because guys, this was already tasting so delicious. And once it has warmed up, I'll go ahead to add the fish to the pot and allow it to simmer for about 15 minutes. This will also depend on how thick or how much sauce it is you made, that you need to leave it to simmer. So that's it, guys, almost completed there. Looking so yummy, guys, look at that. And that's the finished product, guys. My mango barbecue fish and my shrimp fried rice ready to be served. A lovely Father's Day dinner right there. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course guys, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time guys, bye.